If you are trying to install Chrome, perhaps you're new to computers and you don't know how to do it, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, head over to the description of this video and press on the link, the first link that was shown there, which is going to place you in this page. Now, if you don't want to head over to the description of this video, just open your internet browser, which is probably going to be Edge right now, and then just search up Chrome download, and that'll put you in this page. Once you're over here, you want to press where it says download Chrome, and the download for the installer of Chrome will begin right away. You could find that file here on your downloads, or you could also find it in the recent download history on your computer. Just make sure you find the default downloads folder on your PC. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and open that file. Again, you could open it from here, from the downloads, or you could open it from your downloads folder. Now, when you click on it, and my recording software didn't pick it up, when you click on it, it's going to open an admin prompt. Just read through it and then go ahead and press allow or accept, and then the installer will open for Chrome. Just go through the install process in here, finish the download, and then give it a couple seconds for it to install. And then after that, it's going to say installation complete. You could go ahead and press close, and then after that, you will have Chrome in your computer. You're ready to set it up, and you are ready to use Chrome, the Google browser. Anyways, I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.